Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of one gorgeous 73 Mach 1. And this car is absolutely beautiful, restored. I don't know if you watched the Barrett-Jackson auctions, but these 71, 2, and 3 Machs are really taking off. I want to thank you for joining us today, and also we're doing this video for you today so you can make a great choice in your muscle car investment. Come on up, let's take a look at this beautiful car, and we'll show you inside out and fire it up. This Mach 1 was finished in 2002, complete motor, trans, the 351 Cleveland, aluminum intake, 750 carb. You got yourself some power steering, and just a nice, powerful little toy here, guys. It's got power brakes as well. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity. It's a beautiful car. 248-974-9513. Don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week. As you can see, the body on this car is absolutely impeccable, straight as a gun barrel, as you can see by our photographs as well, the top and the bottom of the car. Nothing was missed. Nut and bolt, every nut and bolt has been spun on this car. Check out these doors, how nice they open and shut. Look at that. Nice automobile here, guys. All the chrome, everything's impeccable. Beautiful trunk. They even powder coated the hinges there too. Just a nice clean automobile, guys. It's got the real cool louvers. You remember those as a kid. Beautiful tires. It's got the Cooper Cobras. Doors all open and shut great. Look at that. Call Tom today, guys. Don't miss out. 248-974-9513. I'm available 7 days a week. Beautiful black interior. Look at all the lips, the seats, everything's redone. Just one gorgeous, cool automobile. Dash is in impeccable shape. Automatic trans. Guys, give me a call today, 248-974-9513. Summer's creeping up, and these cars aren't going to be lasting long.